coupling the breakdown pathways to the biosynthetic pathways. Same with NADPH. This is the carrier of electrons. So chemical energy and electrons are taken out during catabolism and they're invested during anabolism. We haven't talked much at all about electron carriers. Let's do that. So we have these reduced molecules like fats and carbohydrates. We oxidize them and we transfer electrons two at a time to these carriers, NAD, NADP, or FAD. We've actually seen this one. Remember when we were talking about vitamin B2, flavonoadenine dinucleotide? I don't know that we've seen NAD or its cousin, NADP. The electron carrier, the active part of NAD and NADP is this redox active ring system, nicotinic acid, known as niacin. This is a vitamin, in the case where vitamin is needed for enzymatic reactions. And riboflavin is the cofactor that we get from vitamin B2. And so when we do oxidative reactions like in glycolysis, there's one, there's several in this cycle. Electrons are taken two at a time and they're given to NAD, and we call the reduced form NADH. It picks up a pair of electrons and one proton. So it looks like this is the oxidized form of NAD. It's often written NAD plus to indicate that the nitrogen in that ring system has a positive charge on it. When you pick up those two electrons and the proton, you lose one of the double bonds in this ring system. You go from 3 to 2, and you put a hydrogen up there. So that's the proton is added there, plus a pair of electrons put into the ring system, and you get this NADH. So it's electron carrying. Here's the electron deficient form. Always moving two electrons at a time. This part, you'll recognize our old friend adenine, the base you see in DNA and RNA with the ribose, a couple of phosphates linked to another ribose linked to this business end of the molecule that we get from niacin. Do we get everything here? So we take electrons out two at a time instead of all at once like in combustion. Two at a time go off to these NADHs. And then later we're going to recycle those electrons. The NADH will donate electrons to oxygen to make water. And in this process down here, in this box, we make almost all of our ATP in this process of electron transfer from NADH to oxygen.